Welcome to our tutorial about the hole table. In my graphic area, I've got a plate with 2 simple holes and 3 hole wizard holes. First, let's create a drawing document. Make drawing from part assembly, OK. Landscape B, OK. Now let's drag in the top view from our view palette. Let's use a custom scale of 1:1. OK. Next, let's go to Insert on the main menu, select Tables, and Hole Table. First, we need to specify datum. Next, we specify the faces or edges associated with the hole. Click OK. And let's place the table right here. As you see, SOLIDWORKS assigns a tag to each table. Here's the hole location. And column D shows us the hole size. We can save this table for use in another drawing if we need to. Just right-click on the table, select Save As, specify the file name, and choose your format. You can export to an Excel file, a text file, or a comma-delimited file. That's extension CSV. Let's cancel out of this for now. And this concludes our tutorial about the hole table.